How to download and install Line app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. Line app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. After that, you need to tap on the search bar in the upper section and you need to search for Line. Once you search for that, you will easily be able to see the app. You have to simply tap on install option in the right hand side and it will start to install. It will take a few minutes to download depending upon your internet connection. Once you download the app, you can create your account, or if you have got already account, then you can log into your account. From over there, you can chat with your friends and you can also create a group in Line from where you can chat with multiple friends at a time. You'll be able to see the exciting stickers over there, which will make your chat more interesting with your friends. Furthermore, you can also add card on your Line account from where you can pay to merchants or about anything which will be easy and safe to use. Furthermore, you can group calls with your friends online. There are other multiple features of Line, so you can create your account or log in and use those features. And after a few minutes, you can see Line application has been installed in my device, but it needs to be updated, so you can simply tap on update and update the app. So this is how you download and install Line application on your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.